afternoon everyone. A very warm welcome to all the esteemed guests present here. Thank you so much first of all for having so patient and wait with us for adding more and more new members to our conference today, to the road show. So moving further, आज हम सब यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं to discuss how entrepreneurship can be developed in the country. How you can excel your startups with the support of AICRA and Startup Mahakumbh. Myself Alka Sachdeva, I am Vice President All India Council for Robotics and Automation. Today take this opportunity to introduce our council, what we are exactly doing. But before proceeding with that, I would like to also mention here that there was one more member who was supposed to join us today. She is Ms. Rita Walia. She is District Coordinator of All India Council for Robotics and Automation Lucknow chapter. But she hails from West Bengal, Kolkata. So she was not able to join us due to all those weather unconditional things. So her flight got cancelled. But actually we are missing her a lot. So it's with due regard, I appreciate her efforts, what she is doing in Lucknow, and thank you to Ms. Rita Walia, and definitely she will be doing very good activities further also. Taking it forward, what AICRA is doing. So All India Council for Robotics and Automation is an autonomous body working to promote technologies in India. So for that we do various activities. The vision of ICRA is to make India a global leader in the technologies. And for the same, to serve the cause, we do various activities, like for example, we establish STEM labs in schools, we establish Center of Excellence Industry 4.0 as per industry standards in colleges and universities. To promote artificial intelligence in country, we do Global Artificial Intelligence Summit and Awards. It's a very prestigious event, I will say, which is awaited not only in India, but across the globe. Like people, MNCs, all countries, they wait for the particular thing and they definitely participate in that. Next we do STEM conclave to promote education in India. Apart from that, we are also the organizer of World Robotics Championship. It's a World Cup Championship which we do every year. We have already done 7 editions of the same to promote robotics and automation in the country. It's a very good platform wherein across the globe, students prepare their board, they come to India, they compete. There are 14 different challenges in that. We definitely gave away prize money also in that. So lot many things we are doing to promote technologies, and further, the thing for which we have gathered today here, Startup Ka Mahakumbh. This is the 4th edition we are organizing. And before the Startup Ka Mahakumbh main event, the main event will be next month in Yashobhoomi, Delhi. The dates are 28th to 30th of June, and it is going to be Asia's biggest conclave, I'll say. So that before that main event, we are organizing road shows in every city. Like today we have gathered here to serve the agenda. The agenda of the particular road show is to know exactly that what is expected from the main event of Startup Ka Mahakumbh. What exactly is, like why you should participate in it, what benefits you will be getting, what exactly expected out of it. And maybe we can have, during the discussion, you can let us know that this is expected so that we can just accommodate those things also in the upcoming event. So definitely we will do all those discussions. But before proceeding further, I would like to show you a profile video of AICRA. So I would just request to play the same. I would request you all to please see that what exactly ICRA is doing.
All India Council for Robotics and Automation launched back in 2014, inspiring to build an ecosystem that connects industries, corporates, startups, and academic institutions, currently acting as the apex body. We are promoting and setting standards in robotics, automation, and artificial intelligence. We have assisted over 4,000 member organizations and professionals with cutting-edge technology solutions. We are trying to fill the gap between industries and academia, aligning to the mission and vision of the Indian government. We have equipped ourselves to meet the present requirements and design services collaborating with leading tech companies. We are establishing a center of excellence at academic institutions that empowers new disruptive technologies of Industry 4.0. Under India STEM mission, we are setting up India STEM labs in schools to bring youngsters to the world of latest technologies. Over 180 labs has been set up and 2,000 will set up by year 2024, where students learn to make advanced projects with the help of expert trainers. We engage academic professionals and institutions in various programs in STEM education and recognize their contribution at prestigious India STEM Summit and Awards every year. We are upgrading computer and vocational education centers into robotic skill centers by supporting them with the Train the Trainer programs as well as equipment and software supplies. Over 2.5 lakh students certified under robotic literacy program at 260 plus robotic skill centers across India. We have created the largest tech competition platform, inculcate the spirit of innovation in young learners, and celebrate their talents in last 7 series of World Robotic Championship Technogian. More than 90,000 techies from India and 22 countries have shown their potential. We are providing a conducive business environment to tech companies and assisting them to digitize their business. Also in Global Artificial Intelligence Summits every year, they discuss and learn from experts that how AI can transform various industries and execute its program. GAISA also recognize AI professionals and organizations from their accomplishments. We have initiated India First Startup Mission to encourage and support the landscape of Indian tech startups, helping them with technical guidance and making prototypes entrepreneurship development programs, platform to connect them with potential client meetings, with investors to raise funds and rewarding their innovations. We are also focused upon using the architecture integral to the development of automation and AI sector through policy advocacy and strengthening India's position on world map. We are on a mission to create an epic saga of technology and innovation. We are in a constant search of new horizons. We are building our mission.
So thank you so much for watching this video. I think it would have given you a fair idea that exactly what activities ICRA is doing. Another vision of ICRA is to make like India, or I'll say create more job providers than the job seekers. Rather than creating job seekers, our focus is to create job providers. Like for example, like business की सफलता उस इंसान को मिलती है जो समय पर नहीं, समय से पहले आगे चलता है. And Startup Mahakumbh 4.0 will give you that opportunity. It gives you that platform which will give you all the focused area which are otherwise maybe you would have negligent, like it would have been negligent to how to make the business successful. To sum up, our organization president, Mr. Rajkumar Sharma, has written a very glorious, or I'll say a theme song which will actually give every entrepreneur a focus towards increasing his business, focus how to generate new business, or how to actually dedicatedly work for the vision. So I would like to just request to play that song. Hear this song, it gives me a different kind of motivation. कभी अगर demotivation हो रहा हो तो इस song को जरूर सुनना. Further, I would like to say that anyone can get a new idea to start a new venture anytime. किसी भी समय किसी भी नए काम की शुरुआत की जा सकती है. उसके लिए कोई एज नहीं होती है, कोई एज क्राइटेरिया नहीं होता है. And ICRA is here to support you at all the steps. आप एक कदम बढ़ाइए. We are here with 10 steps further to give you all kind of support, whatever is required. To support the same cause, in this particular meeting, we have also come up with a new idea of Startup Dangal, which will be a kind of competition platform. Definitely, Raj sir will be elaborating it more further. This is the last video I will be playing for you today, just to give us this that exactly what Startup Ka Dangal is all about.
दोस्तों नमस्कार। भारत में पहली बार स्टार्टअप के जज्बों, जुनून और सपनों की उड़ान इस दंगल में होगी नए उद्यमियों की पहचान। तो चलो जुड़ जाएं इस दंगल की शुरुआत के संग, एक नई उमंग के संग, नई दिशाओं की ओर हो अभियान, जिससे बढ़े देश का मान और सम्मान। दोस्तों वर्षों से आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर मैं अभिनव चतुर्वेदी आपका स्वागत करता हूं स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ में आयोजित होने वाले स्टार्टअप दंगल सीजन 1 के लाइव शो में। अगर आपका स्टार्टअप तय है, स्टार्टअप दंगल के लिए 15 मई से पहले अपना प्रवेश टिकट प्राप्त करें। www.startupdangal.com पर रजिस्टर करें। कृपया जल्दी रजिस्टर करें और मिलते हैं आपसे स्टार्टअप दंगल के लाइव शो में।
Thank you, and to add on, thank you so much. And to add on, this date is revised to 10th June now, so you can definitely register for Startup Ka Dangal still. We have scope available. So I think अभी तक मैंने जो भी बोला है, I am able to motivate you upcoming conclave and what opportunities we have, what challenges we can overcome through this conclave. So please welcome Mr. Rajkumar Sharma.